In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the theme color in Weebly. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to customize. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Theme tab to access your website's design settings. Look for the color settings available for your theme. Depending on the theme you're using, you can choose from preset color schemes or customize individual colors to match your brand. If your theme supports custom colors, select the color option and use the color picker to choose your preferred color. Apply the changes and review how they affect your website's buttons, links, headings, and other design elements. Preview your website to make sure the new theme color looks the way you want. When you're satisfied with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to change the theme color in Weebly. Thanks for watching.